Ever scrolled through social media and seen those dream ads? You know the ones. Launch a profitable store in minutes. Be your own boss, work from anywhere. They all point to this magical land called dropshipping, and a popular tool within it, AliDropship. But is AliDropship the shortcut to e-commerce success or a recipe for disaster? Today, we'll dissect this plugin, analyzing the good, the bad, and the ugly to help you decide if it's the right fit for your dropshipping dreams. The allure of AliDropship. Why does everyone talk about it? Let's face it, AliDropship makes dropshipping sound easy. Their plugin integrates seamlessly with WordPress and WooCommerce, allowing you to import products directly from AliExpress with a single click. No more manually adding descriptions, pictures. It streamlines the store setup process. Here's where AliDropship truly shines. Beginner-friendly. The interface is straightforward, making it a great option for those with no prior experience running an online store. Time-saving features. Importing products in bulk and automating order fulfillment frees up your time to focus on marketing and customer service. Customization. You can edit product descriptions, set pricing, and design your store to reflect your brand. One-time fee. Unlike subscription-based platforms, AliDropship offers a one-time purchase, reducing ongoing costs. Access to exclusive stores. They provide access to pre-made, niche stores you can customize and launch quickly. The not-so-pretty side, cracks in the dropshipping dream. While AliDropship boasts ease of use, there's a hidden complexity to dropshipping that the plugin can't solve. Here's where the dream can turn into a bit of a nightmare. Low profit margins. AliExpress products are generally cheap, meaning you'll need high sales volume to make a decent profit. Factor in marketing costs and things can get tight quickly. Competition galore. Anyone can use AliExpress, so you'll be facing fierce competition from other dropshippers selling the same products. Standing out requires strong marketing and branding strategies. Quality control concerns. You have limited control over product quality since you're relying on a third-party supplier. Dealing with customer returns and unhappy buyers can become a major headache. Inventory management challenges. AliExpress sellers often have fluctuating stock levels. You might advertise a product only to find it out of stock when a customer orders. Shipping woes. Shipping times from AliExpress can be lengthy, leading to frustrated customers. Beyond AliDropship, are there better options? While AliDropship simplifies the technical aspects, it doesn't address the core challenges of dropshipping. Here are some alternatives to consider. Shopify with Oberlo. This popular platform offers a user-friendly interface and integrates seamlessly with Oberlo, an AliExpress dropshipping app. Spocket. This US and EU-based dropshipping app focuses on faster shipping times and better product quality. Selfie. This platform caters to digital product sales, eliminating inventory management issues. Is AliDropship right for you? AliDropship can be a good starting point if you're absolutely new to dropshipping and want to experiment on a budget. However, it's crucial to understand the limitations. Here's who might benefit from AliDropship. Complete beginners. If you're just starting and want to learn the ropes of dropshipping, the ease of use can be helpful. Niche testers. Trying to validate a product idea? The low upfront cost allows you to test the waters without significant investment. Before diving in, consider these factors. Are you comfortable with potentially low profit margins? Do you have a strong marketing strategy to stand out from competitors? Are you prepared to handle customer service issues related to product quality and shipping times? Remember, dropshipping success hinges on more than just a plugin. You'll need a solid product, effective marketing, and exceptional customer service. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.